What is up, everybody? Justin here, Side Hustle Pro. Just come to you with another video, and what I want to do is just share a few things that I picked up to sell. I'm going to sell these on eBay. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. Thinking about maybe doing just like a little mini haul video, just to keep up, some current things that I find. Typically, there's one Goodwill by my house, and I typically stop there every day. Because they're always putting out new things, right? And so I usually stop and just check. I just do a quick rundown. I don't go through all the clothes because it takes forever. I do that maybe about once a week. But I will look for the new tags. They have like the barbs on them, right? And so if I get there about 4 or 4:30, they have the racks that they're loading. And so they have like the racks of like the new stuff that they're putting out into the store, so I can see what colors they're working with. And like they were working with green, right? You can see that, yeah. So they were working with the green, and so I will just run through and sort of see like if there's clumps of green or something like that, because you can sort of see where they put them out. And I'll check that, and then I'll usually just check the shoes, electronics, and toys, right? Easy stuff to look through. Alright, so let's just go through it here today. What all did I get? Here's the receipt. I spent $16.91. I don't know if you can see that. I gotta work on, yeah, maybe you can. $16.91 right there. Okay. I picked up a pair of shoes, some shorts, and a hat. Now, here's the shorts. This is a brand called, I think it's called Cool or Cull. There's the symbol, what it looks like. Here's how you spell it. Which way is it? There you go. Cool or Cull. Born in the mountains. It's like a dirt biking sort of a thing, I believe. I'm not sure, like a hiking or something. But here's the shorts. They are a nice pair of cargo shorts. It's got like the side cargo pocket on it. It's sort of hard to see. We got the side cargo pocket. There's the front of them, right? And so that light's pretty bright. They're actually like a darker green than, I don't know why that light's showing them up like that. But anyway, so these here I picked up for $5. And checking out the comps, they're between like $30 and $35. So that's a pretty good score. Keep your eye out for that. These did have a stain on them. You can see over here by the pocket. There's like a stain right there. And I'm just going to hopefully, when I wash these, I'll put some shout on it, and hopefully that'll come out. Picked those up. And then I picked up these Cole Haan. Now, I don't know what happened at the shoe aisle today, but it's like whoever priced the shoes, and they made them all $9.99. Typically, they're like $4.99, $7.99. Every once in a while, they'll list something like really high, but all of them were $9.99. And you can see the tag there for $9.99. I don't know if you can see the $9.99 or not. What a horrible. There we go. It's going to focus. Yeah, $9.99. Cole Haan. That was what they are. Well, it's really bad. We're all blurry. All right, Cole Haan. All right, so Cole Haan, and then this is actually the Nike Air. You can see those Nike Air Cole Haans. Size 8 medium men's. There's the Cole Haan in there. And I looked these up by the number, and they're called Cole Haan, I think Connor. And so, yeah, looking up the comps on these, anywhere between like 40 and 60 for this specific one. There wasn't a lot of them that were this specific one. So if I can get, 40 would have me netting about $14. So I'd like to really try to get 50 with free shipping. And I will have to clean them up a little bit. You can see there, they get some little scuffs. And there's some little minor like wear in the back, but the toes look really good. So I picked those up for $10. This was a pretty cool find. I stopped really looking at the ties, especially in the town that I live in, because really nobody has expensive ties in this town. But this hat was laying down, and I said, oh, that's a pretty cool hat. I think I'll check that out, right? And I picked it up, and guess what it was? Orvis, right? So it's an Orvis hat, and I don't know what kind of hat this is. I think it's like a Panama hat, safari hat, fishing hat. I looked up all those and couldn't find anything that was just like this, that had this venting around it. So if you know like what specifically kind of hat this is, it's too small for me, but I think it would look good, right? So if you know what kind of hat this is, let me know. But the similar items were selling for between like $35, $65. So I paid $1.50 for it, which is always funny because they'll take shoes like some beat up Nike cleats and charge $10 for, but then they got this Orbis hat here that they charge $1.50 for, which is great for me. Um, so as long as thrift stores keep doing that, a lot of people complain about Goodwill prices and stuff, and sometimes it is pretty crazy. But as long as they're making American Eagle designer jeans, $12.99, and then they're leaving their Ralph Lauren's and their like Ariat and stuff like that cheaper, it's okay with me. All right. So, but anyway, I picked this up for $1.50. Hope to sell it for 30 or more. Be pretty sweet. So not a lot, just 3 things. Like I said, I stop every day, and so when you do that, you sort of already know it's there. I'm just looking for new things that I haven't seen before, and it pays off. Today I really didn't want to go. I was like, yeah, I don't want to go. The kids were like, we don't want to go, and I was like, well, we'll just stop real quick. We were there maybe about 15 minutes, so picked a few things up, and hopefully I'll be able to sell those. And so some stuff to look out for: Kohan, Orvis, and that Kuhl, Kuhl. So those are always going to be solid pickups. I'm actually pleased with like the brands that I found today. So pretty nice, pretty easy pickup. I'll get those listed, and hopefully somebody will buy them real soon, right? We'll make some money. So thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'm going to link it down below. And just have a good day. And you can click the little notification thing to get notifications when I post, so that way you can see when it's up. And you can check out some more content. All right, have a great day, everybody.